Hello, dear students. Today we take the multi-choice questions based on thermometry. Some helpful tips are delta C is equal to delta K. That is, temperature difference in Celsius scale is equivalent to temperature difference in Kelvin scale. Again, temperature 1.8 times temperature difference in Celsius scale is equal to the temperature difference in Fahrenheit scale, and 1.8 Celsius reading is equal to F minus 32. With the help of these three, we will solve some problems. First question is, absolute zero temperature on Celsius scale is, options are this. As you know, Celsius reading plus 273.15 is equal to 0 Kelvin. That is, when you add this temperature to 273.15 degrees Celsius, you will get 0 Kelvin. That is, the correct answer will be this one. So the correct option will be this one. Next, question number 2. Temperature of water changes by 20 degrees Celsius. The equivalent temperature change in Kelvin scale will be, here this is delta C, and you know delta C is equal to delta K. Therefore, the equivalent temperature change on Kelvin scale will be also same. That is, option will be A. Next, question number 3. The temperature of sun is measured with, these are the options, and as you know, temperature of sun is measured with pyrometer, and the process is known as pyrometry. Therefore, the correct option will be B. Next question, number 4. The study of physical phenomenon of low temperature is known as, options are these, and the production and study of low temperature is known as cryogenics. Therefore, the correct answer will be B, cryogenics. Question number 5. At absolute zero temperature, options are these one, and as you know, at absolute zero temperature, the kinetic energy of gas molecules will be zero. Therefore, the motion, their motion will stop. That is, the correct answer will be A. That is, molecular motion will stop. Molecular motions stop. Correct answer will be option A. Next, maximum density of water is at, options are these, and as you know, maximum density of water is at 4 degrees Celsius, and with the help of this relation, if you convert here 4 degree into 1.8 becomes 7.2 degree, plus 32 becomes 39.2 degree. Means correct answer will be C. From this formula, this is 4 into 1.8 plus 32 gives this option. Next, question number 7. 25 degrees Celsius is equivalent to, again with the same formula, here C is 25 into 1.8 plus 32 gives 77. And here again 25 into 1.8 gives 45 plus 32 gives 77 Fahrenheit. The correct option will be B. Next, question number 8. 0 degree Celsius is equivalent to Kelvin. As you know, 0 degree Celsius when added, or 0 degrees Celsius plus 270 3.15 gives temperature in Kelvin. Therefore, the Kelvin temperature will be this one equivalent to 0 degree Celsius. So, the option will be B. Next question number 9 is the temperature at which Kelvin and Fahrenheit thermometers give the same reading. Options are these. Now, here the two thermometers are Kelvin and Fahrenheit. Therefore, we use K minus 273 upon 5 equal to F minus 32 upon 9. If we bring this 9 here, it becomes 9 upon 5, which is 1.8. 9 upon 5, 1.8. And as K is equal to F is equal to X, suppose K is X minus 273 will be equal to X minus 32. On simplification, we get X as 574.25. Therefore, the correct answer will be this one. Question number 10 is Celsius and Fahrenheit thermometers are dipped in boiling water, means at 100 degrees Celsius according to Celsius, and 212 according to Fahrenheit thermometer. After cooling for some time, the Fahrenheit reading becomes 140 Fahrenheit. Then the fall in Celsius thermometer will be. Here again solution. Question 10. Again we use the relation 1.8 delta C is equal to delta F. So 1.8 delta C is equal to delta F. Here delta C will be equal to delta F upon 1.8. Here delta F is boiling point of water minus 140 Fahrenheit, means boiling point of water is 212, it is minus 140 upon 1.8. This is the solution to question 10. We know 1.8 delta C is equal to delta F. Here delta F is 212 minus 140. This is final temperature, and initial temperature was boiling point, which is 212 according to Fahrenheit. This gives delta C is equal to this minus this gives 72 upon 1.8, which is 40 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the correct answer will be this one. Next, question 11. Standardization of thermometers is done with, these are the options, and it is done by gas thermometer. Next, question number 12. Gas thermometers are more sensitive than liquid thermometers because, these are the options. This is because of the fact that the gases have more expansion than liquid between same range of temperature. Therefore, the gases expand more than liquids is the correct option. 140 Fahrenheit is equivalent to, solution to question number 13. We know 1.8 C is equal to F minus 32. Therefore, C will be equal to F minus 32 upon 1.8, which is 140 minus 32 upon 1.8, which is 108 upon 1.8, that is 60 degree Celsius. So the correct option will be B. Next question number 14. Absolute zero temperature is nearly this much Fahrenheit. You have to solve question 14. Solution to question 14. Here the two thermometers are absolute zero means Kelvin and Fahrenheit. Okay? So K minus 273 upon 5 is equal to F minus 32 upon 9, or 9 comes here, giving 9 upon 5, which is 1.8, and K is absolute zero means 0 minus 273 will be equal to F minus 32, because K is 0, absolute 0. Therefore, F will be equal to minus 273 into 1.8 plus 32. On simplification, this gives 459.4 degree Fahrenheit, which is nearly 460 Fahrenheit. So the correct option will be C. Next question number 15. Question number 15. Solution to question 15. Here, this is a new imaginary scale naming W, having freezing point as 39 degree W and boiling point of water as 239 degree W respectively. Convert 39 degree Celsius into a new scale W, having freezing and boiling points of water at this and this much respectively. Solution. Here we know reading minus lower fixed point upon upper fixed point minus lower fixed point is equal to, in case of Celsius scale, it is reading is C, lower is 0, upper is 100 and lower is 0 in case of Celsius. And in case of this new scale, reading is W, lower is 39, upper is 239 and reading is, lower is 39. So this is C upon 100, C upon 100, and this is W minus 39 upon 200. This two zeros cancel. Therefore, 2C will be equal to W minus 39, or 2, here C is 39, so 2 into 39 plus this 39 will be W. That is, W will be 3 into 39, 3, 39 into 3, which is 117 W. Therefore, the temperature on the new scale will be 117 W, which is the option number C. Last question 16 is mercury thermometers can measure temperature, maximum temperature up to. You know, maximum temperature that can be measured with mercury thermometers is 360. Therefore, the correct option will be this one.